Guys, ito na tayo ngayon. Nabuksan na natin ang Restream. Ito na sample ng Restream natin gagamitin sa mga susunod nating live stream. Subukan natin ito. At ang pagkakaiba nito guys, wala itong limit. Hindi ka guys sa StreamYard may limit na 20 hours per month. Ang Restream wala daw itong limit, kaya you can use it all the time without limit, no limit of course. So tingnan natin ang mga features. Ito yung up screen at pwede rin na yung contain, ang tawag dito, contain, at embedded na guys yung background sa gilid. Ganda. Ito ang default, and then meron silang ditong news style and rounded style. Yan, hindi pa natin na-try ito. So default pa lang ito, ginagamit natin. At meron din silang mas malaki o thumbnail ang style. And then meron sing cinema style. And yung mga guests baba. Kung may mga guests kayo. And then ito yung picture in picture. Ayan, nandito naman yung picture ninyo. At nandito picture in picture ang tawag dito. And then, there are many graphics na magagamit dito. Ayan yung mga brand settings, captions, and graphics. You can explore this if you want. Then, logo. You have a logo. Logo can be used only if you will pay the subscription fee of I think $29 per month. So these are all applicable, enabled na lahat ito. And then captions, there are captions here. Pwede kayo kumuha ng caption. Follow us on Twitter, Restream. Ayan, follow us on Twitter. You can type text here, just like StreamYard. You can say what you want, and like a ticker or a caption. Secondary text, optional alt caption. Ayan. Then chat. In Restream, the chat is showing in your screen, like here in the side. All the chats will be shown here, like say you say hello. Yeah, the chat will be shown on the side, right side, and the viewers can see social comments displayed here. Click on them to showcase on the stream. Just click this show, and then the text or the chats will be shown on the screen. So this is the what we call Restream. To set up this, you have to go to your streaming software. Let's see. Yeah, here. Let's go back so I can teach you how to how to set up the Restream, you will just type Restream to your browser. Okay, let's see. Let's type. To get started with Restream, let's type Restream. Okay, enter. Then you will be given so many options here. You look for this Restream IO. Click this one, and then it will show you, or it will get you with the get started login window like this one. So you click get started, and then this will pop up the Restream create your account. So you will have to create your account. Let's say your username. Let's say your username, and then your email, then your password, enter. Then you will be asked if you want to sign up now. Then you sign up. Then what would you like to do? So you are going to stream with OBS, stream with video file, schedule the event, or record only. So what you are going to do is to add a destination. Add a destination. Then you choose YouTube. Because this is only a free software, you will only add one platform, and you will choose among these platforms where do you want to go live. But if you will pay the subscription fee, you can use all these platforms, 30 platforms they are streaming. So I will choose YouTube because I'm just a free user. Then connect YouTube, click connect YouTube. Then it will bring you to the Google. Choose an account, sign in with Google to continue to Restream. So you have to sign in with your account. And then this will bring you here. Ayan. So you will just allow this. Click the allow button. And then it will give you setting. So let's say you will have to create a title, a description. It is not necessary, but only a title. Then go public. So you have to save this. Click save. And then that's it. You can go live stream with Studio, stream with OBS, stream a video file, or schedule event or record only. So click. If you want to use YouTube Studio only, click this one. Click this button, and it will bring you to Live Studio software platform. Stream professionally from your browser. So it will ask you to access the camera. So you will allow mic and cam access, allow. And then add yourself to stream. Next. And then stream controls are here. Ito yung mga stream controls niya, guys. Next. Then add destination. This is your destination. Set up your social channel. Their stream title. Next. Then final touch when everything is set up. Hit this orange button to go live. Got it? And that's all. You are ready to go live. If you click this, you can go live now. Okay? So share a screen. You can share the screen here. Mic, the camera, share the screen, invite guests. You press this, you will be given URL link to invite guests that you will give to your guest so that they can join your live stream. And then you add source and then settings. So these are the contain layouts. Share your screen, invite guests, explore layouts. So you can close this. So this will give you a layout. If you have something to share, let's say you share your screen, start sharing the screen, and then share with audio. You can to share this screen and then click share. It will give you sharing options here. You click this. This is a style. This is a style. Yes. And then this picture in picture, wherein you are in the lower corner. Screen style. If you have a guest and vertically up screen, and then this is cover, almost the same as with the apps. And then this is the contain. Yeah, the good here is that it has a background on the side. Yeah. Okay. You some chat. Your chat will be shown in option. And click chat overlay. Special comment. You will type here chat. Please enable channel here. Yeah.